Namaskar. I'm Anand Ganu, founder president Garze Marathi Global. Today we are here to thank our mentors Neeraj Dhote and Milind Kanetkar, who successfully mentored for 16 weeks Kunal Kasture and his team deep leads under Garze Marathi Innovation Academy's acceleration program for early stage startup. We want to know from Kunal what he has learned during this journey, what was his experience. We want to know from Neeraj and Milind Kanetkar that how they found the entire thing and what is their take on this our exercise. And from their experience and from their comments, we are going to improve ourselves and learn and move forward. I'll give short introduction of three of them. Kunal Kasture is a founder of Deep Leads, a startup who expertise in setting up incubation centers in new age technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT in the universities and center of excellence. So when we published this program of mentoring of early stage startups, Kunal, along with many other applications, there was Kunal's application also, and Neeraj and Milind Kanetkar, they found that yes, Neeraj Dhote and Milind Kanetkar found that yes, this is a very bright looking startup and they have good future. We should take them up. So we invited them. I'll talk about Neeraj. Neeraj, I really thank you for sparing your time. You are so busy man and you have been always very supportive of Garze Marathi. You have connected me with so many people. As a matter of fact, on my phone there are at least 7 8 people whom I have served as XYZ care of Neeraj Dhote. So Neeraj, you are CPO of CPO Americas for Linde. You are a visionary, analytical and transforming strategy thought leader for over more than 20 years of experience. That includes leading creation and implementation of high impact regional and global growth strategies for multi-billion dollar multinational. So, such a big man with so much on his calendar, you spared time for us weeks after weeks during actually weekend during our meetings for 2 hours. And understand that you and Milin and Kunal used to meet every Wednesday to brush up things and plan for next week's presentation. Neeraj, I sincerely thank you for all this. Milind is our young supporter who has been connected with us for a very long time. He is vice president product data system manager at Eton Valence, and he has more than 20 years experience related to information technology, financial industry experience, which spans more than decades with a primary focus on data analytics, product data analytics. So this is the strength of Garze Marathi. We have people who are connecting with us, giving their time, sharing their expertise with no expectation. So this is what brings all of us together. And with people like Neeraj Dhote and Milind Kanetkar, Garze Marathi feels confident that we are set out to give something back to a society that we will definitely do so. With these few words, I would invite Kunal to take over proceedings of this short meeting. Kunal, over
Thank you,
to you.
Anand sir. I'm audible. Oh, thank you very much. So, thank you for this opportunity to speak on behalf of the streets. So, we started our journey 15 weeks ago. Uh, uh, Found out about Garze Marathi Global, this initiative for startups from Maharashtra going all over, taking part in a program wherein startups from all over the world were coming together to kind of promote uh, founders, Maharashtrian founders, startup founders. So we thought, why not give it a try? We had just started off 3 years in the line, and we kind of were looking for some kind of a strong platform to learn business from, and to learn how to go forward, how various things involved, how to do that. So we found Garze Marathi Global Innovation Academy and thought, why not go for it? Kind of very eminent personalities were associated and very strong foundation to look at. So we went for it and gladly got selected for it. And the 16-week program was very insightful. So many things got cleared out. Eminent people like Sudhir Kadam sir present on the panel. He had a very huge impact in the program, talking about business model, value proposition, user experience journey, so many things. So really, really thankful to him to clear out so many things out. Next, would like to thank Anand sir for organizing such an insightful cohort for us to take a part in. And yeah, next, we would like to talk about Deepleaks a little bit. In short, we started in 2018, and we have two co-founders and one director of sales. And currently, we were working for 2 years in New Age Technologies, as Anand sir mentioned. We have done client-to-client based projects in computer vision, IoT, and AI. And since early 2021, we have pivoted to our science laboratory platform online, which is Vidura X. And currently, we are working on deploying its beta trial by the end of this quarter. So yeah, that is about Garja Marathi, and would like to give a special vote of thanks to Neeraj sir and Milind sir. Uh, Neeraj sir is a visionary, as Anand sir mentioned, uh, talking about user experience journey and go-to-market or value proposition. His thoughts have always been very precise, very clear, and he's very easy to talk to. And the knowledge that he has, the experience that he carries, has helped us in our journey at Garje Marathi Innovation Academy. To talk about Milind sir is more of a data expert. The insights from data that we can get, how the importance of getting information out of vast area of data that you can have, and yeah, so Milind sir has been very supportive in that part. So overall, if I speak about Neeraj sir and Milind sir as a team, along with us, have helped us go through this journey pretty efficiently, pretty seamlessly. It used to get tough at times, but Neeraj sir and Milind sir have been always present, even apart from our regular calls. And we used to have other calls as well. Neeraj sir, Milind sir were well in line with what we were doing, where we were at, and not just with the assignments, but with the startup, how it's going, and everything. So really would like to extend my vote of thanks to Neeraj sir and Milind sir for being here with us and guiding us and supporting us throughout this Galgamatic Global. And I'm hopeful that you guys will be there to support us as we move forward in our journey at Deep Leads. So thank you very much for this opportunity to speak, Anand sir. Thank you, Neeraj sir. Thank you, Milind sir.
That's
You're
nice.
welcome.
That's nice. That's nice. So, Neeraj or Milind, you can take over. Means you would talk. Would you like to talk about what you understand about this whole journey, or Kunal's expertise, his future, and how you have molded him to be a successful entrepreneur?
Yeah, first of all, thank you, Anandji, and thanks, Kunal, for the kind words. Uh, First of all, I would like to thank you, Anandji, for giving me a chance or giving us a chance to, we've been out of the country, out of India for more than 20 years now, and I was not aware of such a. Although I spent 3-4 years in Bangalore, about 7-8 years ago, but I still didn't have a good sense for the startup growth and the startup ecosystem in India. And this gave me a glimpse of that, and I'm really glad that you gave us this opportunity. And as far as Deep Leads is concerned, I was really impressed with all the young leadership behind this concept and behind this startup, and their dedication, tech savviness. It really impressed us. And what really got my attention was the social entrepreneurship uh, aspect of it, because they really wanted to do something wherein they can bring a lot of value to rural India, to second tier, third tier city. So, and as we talk about the demographic dividend for India, more than 50% of the people are less than 30, 25 years of age, and they really need to be educated. And unless you have good educated manpower, um, you cannot really take advantage of the demographic dividend, and that dividend could really become a liability. So they're trying to do something, trying to contribute in their own way. That is something that really appealed to me, and I was really happy that we were able to help them. I think in terms of their journey, I think we came a long way. Last 14-16 weeks that we've been working with them, I think a lot of things have become clear. They were able to pivot. They started with one concept when they came to us, and where we are today, we've really pivoted the business in terms of go to market strategy, in terms of the way they think about their product, in terms of the way they started thinking about their revenue model, the business model, the customer acquisition cost. A lot of things we were able to refine. The message was clear. The value prop was really much more sharp. So I think we've made a great progress, and I wish them all the best. In terms of future, I would say the future is really in virtual reality. So, what we have today is a starter product which will get you into the market. But to maintain your leadership, you'll have to develop the product further and really look at virtual reality, which is becoming, the in thing now. And get into that so that you can give the user the feel of really doing the experiment themselves. So that is something that you should look into. And obviously, you cannot, it has to be crawl, walk, run. So you've started crawling. I think you'll be walking now, and hopefully you'll be jogging, running, sprinting very soon. So all the best. One more thing I would say, the Indian government right now is spending a lot of money, and they have a lot of schemes to bring these kind of things to rural India and provide education to people, to children. And with our contacts, I think I have contacts, and others I know have contacts. If you have the right product, if you are able to develop that product, I'm more than willing to help you there and get you into those channels and really grow there, because there you'll get a lot of volume. So hopefully we can work together and make it a big success. So I wish you all the best, and thanks for the opportunity.
Great. Milind?
Yeah, Namaskara, Anandji. I think I will echo Neeraj sentiments there, and I will begin with word of thanks to Anandji, to you, to provide this opportunity to folks like me and Neeraj. As Neeraj said, I have been out of the country for 20-22 years, and even though you are connected through your friends and relatives, you are not that much connected with what's the ground reality is. As you go on vacations, your connection is lasts only 4 to 6 weeks, and then you come back. So I was really impressed with the number of startups that were part of this innovation program, and the young leadership in India, the way it is coming up with really innovative ideas and thinking outside the box, is it it really resonated, and that's what hit me, is like, oh, I think there is so much talent that is coming out, and they are not looking for 9 to 5 job, but they are looking outside the box, and how they can value the entrepreneurship or live the dream, but at the same time, in their own way, not only empower themselves but the next generation, or the in general public itself. And that's some of the things that really hit me well, with the products that all 16 teams brought to the table, especially with the deep leads. Education, mentoring, is really near and dear to me. Even at my workplace, I mentor college students regularly. So when deep leads came up to the table with a product which is in the experimentation platform, it really tingled my interest as to what would they have to offer. And as Neeraj said, I think they were really raw in terms of where the pitch was. I think our initial reaction was, your elevator pitch can be improved a lot. Oh, that's how we started. And at the end of the 16 weeks, I mean, they had really transformed. I think they learned a lot, thanks to Sudhir Kadamji. I think I learned a lot too, during the some of these sessions that we attended. And hats off to the team, especially Shirish Rangnekar and Alankar Joshi, who really put on uh, a lot of efforts behind the scene to make sure that the program is well run week after week for continuously 16 weeks. So really thankful for that. As coming back to deep leads, as I said, they have progressed really well, and uh, the user experience, how they can improve, or go to market strategy, how to acquire uh, the new customers, who is the real customer and who is your user, those kind of passionate discussions we had week after week. And that definitely helped them create that edge in their understanding. And as Neeraj said, I think the future is in augmented reality, virtual reality. I think that's probably a pinnacle for your product. And there are various opportunities where you can go into, uh, and it's immensely wider audience that you can grab onto. Not only the virtual reality, but like you can even localize your product in your local language, not only in Maharashtra Marathi, but you can go all over India and you can expand your user base and the product offering. So think about that while improving the technology, improving the user base. How can you utilize AI and NLP solutions that are out there, like Alexas and Series of the world? You can introduce that into your product to expand your reach within India and then across the world. So there are enormous amount of opportunities ahead of you if you plan that out really well. And lastly, I would like to thank Neeraj also. I mean, before this program, I didn't know who he was, but we really gelled well right from day one. And even though we didn't know each other, first couple of times when we were talking with Kunal, I realized that, oh, how different we are, but at the same time, when we are mentoring, how we think similarly. Maybe the way we were delivering the message or the tool were different, but there was common ground that was found. So I learned things from Dheeraj also just by listening to him, and he has great ideas and thoughts. So I thank Dheeraj too for that. um, with that said, good luck, Kunal, for your future journey, to you and your team. And Anandji, thank you for this opportunity. And I'm already looking forward to the next program or next cohort for it. I'm that excited about it. So thank you so much.
Okay, thanks a lot. And just a note that lot of investors are contacting us, and we are sharing all the pitches and whatever happened during our demo day with them. So there is definitely a good chance that funding opportunities also will be taken care of. With those few words, I wish Kunal all the best, Kunal and his team all the best. And I sincerely thank Milind and Neeraj for their kind gesture, for their time and energy and everything that they spared for Garje Marathi and our initiative. You are part of family, so you are expected to do that. But you have done it, so I'm very grateful to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Anand.